What if your backyard was a magical river? In the heart of Wachee, there's a place that's not just a house. It's a 4-level sanctuary designed to live in perfect harmony with nature, where every space inspires connection, from its open-heart kitchen to its multiple balconies, where nature always takes center stage. Imagine waking up here every morning with the soundtrack of nature, knowing you have more than an acre of private paradise all to yourself. This is more than a property. It's your chance to live the life you've always dreamed of. 7505 Jomel Drive. Your paradise in Wachee. Call me. I'm AngelicaMBaez. 786-327-9695.